afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This lecture is actually divided in three portions, like the anatomy section of Brown, because most of the work done will be communicated in this session, but Friday morning, Friday afternoon, in the conference for protein in that one for antibiotics will be done the rest of the work. And of course, I mean, we start from the fact are that there are at least two recognized anti-cancer vaccines that are antivirus vaccine. And the first one maybe was done for hepatitis B virus. It was done and known for retrospective studies about the virus of hepatitis, and especially for the possibility to have the Bramberg antigen and then for recombinant synthesis was something very important, because this vaccine was able not only to block the hepatitis, but also some of the hepatoma, cancer of the liver. This was seen afterwards, after many years of the vaccine use. But then we have the papilloma virus, and especially the new vaccine blocking in particular the E6 and E6 and 7 proteins, that they are able from the virus to block the immunosuppressor in the cell. And then we know that in most of the world we have the second cause of mortality for women, and is the cervical cancer. And we know there are many different viruses implied, like especially the 70% for HPV6 and HPV18, and at least since 2006, the first vaccine was registered by FDA, and it was blocking by the way of the pseudoparticles, the papilloma virus 16 and 18, and maybe some for cross-section, many more. Now we go back to something that was at the down of the oncological biology concerning polyoma or SB40 viruses, oncogenic for animals. In particular, also shown that the virus was able to transform cells, and cells were given cancer in the animal, or straight the virus to the newborn animals. But if the virus was injected before the transplantation of the cells, there was something protection, inhibition, by the way of a tumor-associated antigen named transplantation antigen. As you know, we have now an immune system. There are a lot of cytokines in the organism. We have this kind of system, very important for different function, and especially the possibility that we can cross-react among different cells in the organism. And we know that already one of these interleukin-2 by Rosberg was used to protect some cancer, like kidney cancer and melanoma. And of course, I mean, there is a known mechanism for tumor recognition and rejection. It was already published by the New York Academy of Science, the possibility of antigen-presenting cells and the director of the cell